Hi, here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go over the question. If x is 20% of y and y is 30% of z, then what percentage of z is x? Okay, so here we have two information. The first information is x is equal to 20% of y and y equals to 30% of z. And we have to find what percentage of z is x, or it can be said as x is equal to what percentage of z. So we have to find x in terms of z. So that's what we have to do it. Okay, so x is equal to 20% can be written as 20 over 100 times y, and 20 goes into 21 times, 20 goes into 100 5 times. I get x equals to 1 over 5 times y. And here let's come to the second information. Y equals to 30% means can be written as 30 over 100 times z. So 1 0 will cancel out. I get 3 over 10 times z. Okay, but our aim is to find x in terms of z. Okay, for that, what I'm going to do is, already we know the equation which has been solved for x in terms of y. So, but we need to solve for x in terms of z. So we have to replace this y by some stuff in terms of z. Already we know that y equals to 3/10 of z. So we can plug in 3/10 of z for y into the first equation over here. Okay, let me do that. So x equals to 1 over 5 times 3/10 of z. So x equals to 1 times 3 is 3 and 5 times 10 is 50. I get 3 over 50 z. Okay, I have solved for x in terms of z, but I have to give the value of x in terms of percentage of z. So I have to convert this 3 over 50 as percentage. So whenever I want to convert a fraction as a percentage, so I must get the denominator 100. So then I can write the fraction as percentage easily. So to get this 50 as 100, so what I should do? I have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. So when I multiply this denominator 50 by 2, it will become 100. So in the next step, we have x equals to 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 50 is 100z. Actually, 6 over 100 is 6%. So 6% of z. So 6% of z is x. So the correct answer choice for this question is option B.